Hello viewers, you are most welcome to MS English Academy, and today we have come up with another session of discussion with the students of MS English Academy. And always we are coming with number of topics, interesting topics, and today also we have come up with the so much important topic, that is fast food good or bad. Fast food good or bad for our health? Nestle, the most famous industry of fast food, itself admitted and acknowledged that over 60% of its food is not healthy. Over 60%, more than 60% of food, provided by Nestle itself is unhealthy. This is the acknowledgement by Nestle itself. And while all these facts, the people of India, especially the people of all the world, especially the people of India, they are consuming fast food on a wide scale. In 2017, over 5.4 billion packets, 5.4 billion servings have been done by the Indians. And the Indians, they are spending a lot and huge money on fast food. And fast food industry is going to grow in India. While the facts showing that fast food is not healthy for ourselves, fast food is not healthy, is not good for our health. There are a number of problems in that. So what are the problems, and is there anything good in fast food? Let us know with the students of MS English Academy. And let me clear you that this program is going to be recorded for the sake of English fluency, English practice. So please ignore any of the mistakes, whether grammatical mistakes of any in content. If any mistakes happen, please ignore the mistakes and just focus on the content and subject. And please share your opinions with us and comment on the videos. And you also please just subscribe our channel and share the video as much as you can. Okay, let me join by the students of MS English Academy. First of all, I want to know the opinion of Rubina Hassan. Rubina, what do you think? What's your opinion? And we also have Mr. Najib along with us. So first of all, let me go across Rubina Hassan. Rubina, what do you think about fast food? Is fast food good or health or not? Mr. Najib, you please just mute.
Thank you, sir. I think the fast food is not for our health.
Not
because
good?
Fast food is very fulfill all of calories and very fulfill of sugar. That is great.
Very full of. We want to say very full of sugar.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fast food is very full of sugar and calories. That
Yes.
is create number of problems.
Yes, of course.
So we have to maintain our health, because health is wealth, sir.
Of course. Okay. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rubina wants to say that we have to save our health, and fast food is not good for our health. It creates number of problems and number of diseases. Okay, let me go to Hussain. Hussain, what do you think? What's your opinion? Hussain Ahmed.
Fast food is bad for our health, sir.
Why?
By eating fast food, we get number of diseases, sir.
Okay. What kind of diseases do you know? Any idea?
Problems, sir. Bones problem.
Yes.
Sugar level increase, weight increase.
Very good. Very good.
Okay.
And other problems are there.
Other problems.
Yes, Najib, what do you think? What's your opinion on this topic?
Sir, my opinion is, sir, fast food is bad, sir.
Why?
Because, sir, by the fast food we can develop heart attack also, sir. By the oily things, sir.
Yes. Okay, oil is there. That's why it creates number of problems. It can also.
It is affect our health, sir.
Of course, of course. Yes, it can cause to heart attack. Even. Okay. Okay. So do you want to avoid fast food, or you also like fast food? Najib, do you want, do you avoid fast food, or do you consume, you eat fast food? Najib, can you hear me? Is there voice problem with you? Okay, let me go to Rubina Hassan. Rubina Hassan, do you know number of people, they are earning money due to fast food. They are poor people, they are having just street business, and they are just serving number of fast food like bhajia, we say, samosa, and number of things. So it is good for their earning, and they are earning their livelihood because of fast food. So do you think fast food should be banned? If it is banned, then what about those people, the poor people especially?
No, sir. I think fast food should not be banned
Why?
because many people and students are living in other city. So
Yes.
fast food is a very good source for them.
Mhm.
And as you said, for poor people to earn money, it is very important source and very large source to earn money. So they can sell and we can purchase fast food. But I want to say we have to consume fast food only for emergency and occasionally, not
Yes.
regularly.
Yes. So this is not solution to ban fast food, because fast food benefits in a little manner, sometimes to the people who are in emergency, and always to the people who serve fast food, to the industries, as well as especially to the poor people. They can earn their livelihood because of fast food. So Rubina is in the favor of not banning fast food. Okay, Mr. Hussain, the people, especially the kids and the youths, they are becoming addicted to fast food. Do you agree? Number of people, they are consuming fast food nowadays.
Yes,
Shawarma,
sir. I agree, sir.
and pizza, burger, sandwich, pani puri, samosa, bhajia, all these things the people have become addicted. Do you think?
Yes, sir.
So, are you also addicted of fast food?
Yes, sir.
Are you addicted?
Yes, sir.
So why how you become addicted of fast food?
I addicted by eating pani puri, sir.
Okay, you are
I eat
addicted of,
daily 1 plate pani puri, sir.
yeah, you are addicted to pani puri. Okay, so how much do you consume pani puri in a week? How many times?
1 plate, sir.
Daily 1 plate?
But in lockdown, pani puri was not coming in
Okay,
roadside, sir.
pani puri was not being served. But do you consume daily 1 plate?
In weekend, sir.
Okay, once in a week. Okay, once in a week, I think there is no problem in that. Rubina Hassan,
Yes.
there are a number of people, especially the youths, especially the kids, they are becoming addicted to fast food. How can we stop them? How can we stop the children and the other youths as well?
Yes, sir. If mothers make homemade vegetable and food, they if mothers make if mother if
Prepare.
mothers make delicious food,
Hmm.
so our children can leave fast food.
Okay. Okay, this is the idea, and this is a trick to keep the kids away from fast food, is to just prepare the delicious food at home. Nowadays number of videos are available on YouTube, how to prepare delicious food being at home, and with your ingredients, the pure ingredients, you can prepare delicious fast food. If the women prepare delicious fast food, then the kids will not go to the fast food industry, and they will not damage to their health. Nestle, the world's most famous industry, as I told you, they themselves, it has itself confessed that over 60% of food provided by Nestle is not good and is not healthy. So if the producer itself is confessing, then what is remaining? How can we consume after all these facts? But just because it's so delicious, it's so yummy, and it is so instant, we can take it in just few minutes. So the people are running after fast food. So Mr. Najib, what advice would you like to give to the people to stop fast food? What is your suggestion to the people? Najib, can you listen me? Okay, let me go to Rubina Hassan and let me take the response from Rubina herself. Rubina, the kids have become addicted. How can you stop them? Yeah, your answer was there. You told the mothers should prepare the delicious food. And apart from this, we have to just create awareness in the people, especially to those kind of people who are consuming. We have to let them know the facts of the junk food and fast food, how much it damages our health. If we create the awareness, especially if we do this, if we start the campaigning, if we stop our family members from this, and all the people stop their family members from this junk food. And I want to say that it should not be consumed on daily basis. It is okay if we are consuming once in a week, twice in a month, this is no problem. But if it is happening on a daily basis, then it's harmful. So if we want to stop them, it's what we have to do is we have to create awareness in the people, and we have to start campaigning. We have to stop, especially to the children. And whenever we suffer from any of the disease, so we have to ask the doctors, we have to request the doctors, please advise my children, advise these kids, they are consuming fast food. Then the doctors, they also convince the children, baby, please don't eat this is harmful, this creates number of diseases. If we consume fast food, you have to come to our clinic day by day. We have to visit our clinic twice in a week, thrice in a week. So please stop. So we have to request all the people, from those the children can listen and obey, and children follow. We have to ask those people. Okay, all in all, the discussion was good, and I would like to request on behalf of the all team of Miss English Academy, the viewers, please stop consuming fast food, because fast food is not good for our health. Yes, okay, if you are consuming occasionally, like in some party and
Sir, I want to tell sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, I want to tell sir that to the public, please don't eat the fast food, because sir, by the fast food it is damage to our health, sir. And by the fast food, heart attack also can come, sir.
Yes.
That's why, sir, I want to tell you, don't eat fast food, because sir, it will be gain fat, sir.
Yes, it creates obesity, fatness, and other, apart from this, number of diseases are there. So like Rubina and Hussein said, sugar and number of disease, heart disease are there. So if we want to be so strong, we have to keep away, we have to stay away from all this fast food. And especially in recent era, in nowadays, number of people, they are suffering from coronavirus. If we want to defend ourselves, if we want to protect our health, we have to have healthy food, because we have to strengthen our immunity system. We have to make our immunity system so strong. If any type of virus attacks us, the immune system should kick it off. Okay, so our immune system should be strong. If we want to make our immune system so strong, we have to consume the healthy food, vegetables, pulses, rice, and number of items which we prepare at home. We have to eat that only. Okay, all in all, the discussion was good. All the candidates, they have presented their views, and I'm so sorry to say that Mr. Mubin Ali could no longer connect with us. I think because due to network issue. Okay, we'll let him join in our next discussion. Okay, I would like to request all the viewers to please subscribe our channel and share our video as much as you can. Thank you very much.